Today's video covers Nifty's relief rally, FII selling 15,828 crores rupees and a record low rupee. Plus, insights on ITC, Aurobindo Pharma, and market trends. Will Santa visit the markets? Stay tuned. As we start a brand new week, the big question on every investor's mind? Will Nifty witness a Santa Claus rally, or Santa will be really missing this Christmas holiday season? First, the good news: after last week's devastating sell-off, this Monday morning, Nifty is witnessing a massive relief rally. Nifty bulls are aiming hard to take over the positive baton from a strong close at Wall Street after a key US PCE inflation reading on consumer prices showed renewed progress against stubborn areas of inflation. Our call of the day suggests it's still not time to go for Christmas shopping, as pessimism still is the order of the day amidst 1. In last week's trade, FIIs have been net sellers to the tune of Rs 15,828 crores. 2. India's slowing economic growth, which is likely to mean that capital flows will be weak. 3. Weak Indian rupee is a concern after the rupee hit a record low of 85 rupees and 10 paise against the dollar, making Indian markets less attractive to foreign investors and raising inflation fears. Long story short, the recent sell-off has also more to do with profit-taking following the spectacular rally since the election, with many believing Nifty ran too far too fast. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3598 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 1374 crores. Sentiments turns to neutral. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating oversold conditions on the daily charts. Fano December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 15.07 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 0.70 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 0.47. Nifty outlook, positive start, but upside is likely to be capped. Nifty, CMP 23,587.5. Support, 23,500 to 23,450. Resistance, 23,700 to 23,750. Range, 23,450 to 23,750. Bias, sideways to bearish. Bank Nifty, CMP 50759. Support, 50,550 to 50,500. Resistance, 51,050 to 51,100. Range, 50,500 to 51,100. Bias, sideways to bearish. In last week's trade, Nifty bulls had got mauled by the rampaging bear. It was a rocky environment, and the turbulence brought Nifty lower for the fifth straight day, and most importantly, the benchmark is now below its 200 DMA at 23,834 mark. Now, with 6 trading days left in 2024, Nifty is most likely to trade sluggish as its Christmas week holidays across the globe. Buzzing stocks. 1. ITC has set 1st January 2025 as the appointed date and the effective date for the demerger of the hotel business of the company. 2. Aurobindo Pharma Ltd gained 2.76% after announcing that its wholly-owned subsidiary, Curatech Biologics Private Ltd, has received a positive opinion from the Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use (CHMP) of the European Medicines Agency (EMA) for Zifilti BP13, a filgrastim biosimilar.